guys think of that sound? Let me know in the comments below. Oh my gosh, this car is so fun, man. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Eric from the Beemer Fam. Let me just start by saying this is spring weather out here in January. I'm in Michigan right now, and that's the northern part of the US. I mean, it's beautiful outside. I got a polo t-shirt on, you know what I'm saying? So I'm out here getting the vitamin D in, so but it's a beautiful day to talk about what's going on with my E39 M5. If you guys don't know already, it's a 2002 blue water metallic, a couple tasteful mods here and there, nothing crazy. We're starting off the new year with some repairs, okay? So in the next few videos, I'm gonna be bringing you along. I'm gonna take you to the dealer and show you exactly how much they're gonna charge for this job. So you might be asking, what job is it, Eric? Come on with it. Timing chain guides. So it's pretty much one of the biggest issues with the E39 M5 specifically, but also the 540 as well. Because in the V8s they use plastic timing chain guides. For those of you guys who don't really know what that is, there are these chains in the engine, at the front of the engine. There are these guides that keep the chains in place so they don't get too loose. You know, when you accelerate, the chains pretty much go faster and stuff. So over time, those chains get loose. You have tensioners that you have to replace to keep the chain tight. Still, the plastic gets worn and cracked, and long story short, in my oil pan, I'll put up a clip for you, I found some of the guides in there, some of the plastic, and you know, that's never a good sign. So the car is pretty much in emergency state. So I don't know if you guys can hear it right there. Once you get around above almost 2,500 RPMs, you hear the rattle. Yeah, this is not a pleasing sound. The sound really only comes in when you warm the car up. But don't worry though, my mechanic, he's working with me properly, proper mechanic. And this car should be getting fixed here in the next couple days. I'm just waiting on the parts to get here. But yeah, we're talking a few grand here. So, but good news is, once it's done, the car will be back to like better than I've ever had it. I have a new clutch, new brakes, and other preventative maintenance items that I've just done to the car. It's just feeling real good when I'm driving it. New power steering hoses and lines and everything. So, yeah, it's time to really just get it back. I mean, it's gonna cost a lot of money. And honestly, I'm gonna be without the car for a couple of weeks. So, you know, depending on when the parts get here. So just keep that in mind in terms of content. You know, you might not see this car for a few weeks. But I'm hoping around next week or so, you know, we should really start busting into things. With the E39 M5 back, and, you know, doing some more videos with it and all that. So yeah, that's pretty much a quick update video on my E39 M5. So just stay tuned, man. The car is gonna be back on the road soon, and you know, we'll get some proper footage for you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe if you enjoy the content. Definitely subscribe to see my brother's M cars as well. They're gonna be posting more videos this year. But also check out our Instagram at Beemer Fam, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.